are some key terms that will empower you to use some of the financial management tools to the fullest extent and help your housing cooperative take control of its financial future. Imagine we're sitting down for a heart-to-heart over a cup of tea. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's start with cash flow, the heartbeat of any cooperative or business. Imagine it as the river that sustains a village. You want it flowing, not drying up. Forecasting is your weather report. It helps you predict how much water or money you'll have in the future. Now, life is full of surprises, and that's where contingency planning comes in. It's your emergency kit, ensuring you're prepared for the unexpected. Think of liquidity as your access to clean drinking water. It's about how quickly you can turn assets into cash. Working capital, that's your reservoir, the extra water you store for drier days. Next, let's talk about revenue streams. Relying on just one is like having a single basket of eggs. Risky, right? Diversification is your safety net. It's like planting different crops. If one fails, you're not left hungry. Passive income is your fruit tree, giving you produce without daily labor, while active income is the crop you actively cultivate. Portfolio income is like investing in other farmers' produce and sharing in their harvest. Budgeting is your recipe for a healthy financial meal. A budget outlines what ingredients or expenses you can afford and in what quantity. Fixed expenses are your staple foods, the ones you can't do without, while variable expenses are the spices, nice to have but adjustable. Cost-benefit analysis is your taste test, helping you decide if a new ingredient or expense adds enough flavor or benefit to be worth it. An audit is like a kitchen inspection, ensuring everything is in order and up to standard. Think of reserves as your pantry stocked for winter or emergencies. A reserve fund is your jar of preserved fruits, saved for unforeseen times. Capital reserves are like the seeds saved for next year's planting, intended for long-term growth. Operating reserves are your everyday spices and staples, set aside to keep the household running smoothly. An endowment is a gift from a generous relative, meant to support you for an extended period. Finally, managing debt is like managing your diet. Your debt-to-income ratio is the calorie count, showing how much of your income is consumed by debt. A credit score is like a health checkup report, reflecting your financial habits. Amortization is your workout plan, a structured way to shed debt. Secured and unsecured debt. Think of them as good and bad fats. One has collateral, like property, backing it, making it less risky, while the other doesn't. Here at Lavender Eucalyptus LLC, our impact extends beyond just strengthening cooperative housing over the long term. It's about creating financially viable, empowered communities. We provide stepping stones in democratizing decision-making within cooperatives and setting the stage for long-term financial stability, wealth creation, and holistic community development. To learn more about our digital tools, courses, and coaching that will empower your housing cooperative, go to lavendereucalyptus.com.